Good day everyone, my name is Arlie Luis Lance Ayosinar together with my partner Razel May P. Manza. So today we're gonna talk about the plumbing layout plan overview. Plumbing layout is essential component of any residential or commercial building plan, ensuring efficient design and installation of water supply and waste disposal systems. These layouts outline the placement of fixtures and pipelines, including the detailed specifications and isometric views that guide constructions and maintenance. Plumbing plan is like an electrical plan. A plumbing plan is a regular part of a complete plan of the house. It is usually the fifth sheet of the five-sheet plan. The object of the said layout is to display the complete plan over the water and disposal system of the house. So a complete plumbing plan has the following content. Number 1, floor plan. This plan emphasizes the kitchen and comfort room where the water system and waste disposal are found, as well as the location of the septic tank. The important aspect of this plan is the location of the kitchen and the bath and toilet and the placement of the necessary fixtures of each of these rooms, where pipelines run and the other plumbing accessories. Number 2, detailed plumbing layout. This shows the fixtures in the kitchen in a separate illustration and the fixtures in the toilet in a separate space, all scaled in a bigger proportion like 1.50 or 1.75 meter. This shows a clear view of the pipelines and the other attachment to it. Number 3, isometric plumbing layout. This is the pictorial presentation of the detailed layout above. This gives a better perspective of the position of each of the parts when actually laid out, showing the exact symbols in its conventional form. So we have number 4, legend. This is the sketch of the conventional symbols in the layout, as well as the abbreviation universally understood by plumbers in the field. So we have letter A for WC, water closet, B, LAV for lavatory, C, FD for floor drain, D, KS for kitchen sink, E, VTR for vent roof, and F, SV for septic vault, G, HB for hose bib, H for CB, catch basin, I, SH for shower head, J, WP for water pipeline, K, SP for soil pipeline, and L, VP for vent pipeline. So now, let's move forward to the septic vault detail. This is the total presentation of the septic tank of the house. The general idea presentation includes the plan and the longitudinal section. So we have A, plan. This shows the overview of the septic tank, including the top view and the detailed dimension of its part. B, longitudinal section. This displays the cross-sectional view, highlighting the height, compartments, pipes location, manholes, reinforcement, and the other necessary details for constructions. 6. Specifications. This section outlines the materials and workmanship required for the plumbing system. So we have A, PVC pipes and fittings shall be used for all sanitary drainage systems. So we have B, PVC or UPVC unplasticized polyvinyl chloride pipes may be used for ventilation lines. C, galvanized iron pipes and fittings properly threaded should be used for all water supply and distribution systems. D, maintain a slope of 2% for pipes with a diameter of 4 inches or smaller and 1% for pipes greater than 4 inches. E, all plumbing installation shall comply with local and national plumbing codes. F, all plumbing work shall be done under the supervision of a licensed plumber. G, a certified statement shall confirm that no artesian well exists within 10 meters of the septic tank location.